Hello guys, welcome to our next training video. In this video, we will look into how you can submit the application to the university. So there are two ways to submit the application: by clicking on new application to your left over here, let it multiply for you, and the second option is to click on the college and university tab just below the dashboard. From here, you can select your university and submit your application. So let's see how it can be done from here. So let me put the UK as country, postgraduate, entry will be January Institute. I'll just click on search. So from 228 universities that we have it for you, you can just pick it, the one that you're interested in. This video, I'll just go ahead and go with the Coventry University for this demonstration purpose. And here, guys, you can see all those details of the universities, requirements, course study, tuition, and other key information. Just click on apply now. So there you go, all the details of you is already there, your first name, last name, contact information, sponsor contact. Let me go ahead and do that for you. So here you go, guys, we have completed this form, and let me recap it for you. In basic information, you have to put your first name and last name along with the date of birth, passport number, and your country of citizenship. Followed by, in contact information, you have to put your street address, which is Eco Atlantic, and apartment number. Lake city is Lagos, country of course Nigeria, phone number, and your email. Thirdly, you have your sponsor contact. It could be your parents, your spouse, and could be a friend for this demonstration. Your parents. I'll just go ahead and click continue. Okay, guys, in this you just have to pick your study level, entry date, faculty will be engineering, and I'm just gonna pick 3 courses that is relevant to my interest, and hit on the save button. Okay, guys, and here you have to upload documents, and you can see the mandatory documents that pops up here. It's gonna be bachelor's degree, international passport, and high school certificate. Let me go and upload that for you. And here you go, guys. After uploading all those necessary documents, mandatory documents, it changed back to normal, which is blue. It's completed. Just click on this next button over here, and here in this final step you have this review of your application, and you have basic information, select the program courses, and supporting documents. So you can click on submit and click on submit button, and the top message pops out, your application has successfully submitted. Okay, guys, you can track your application here, or also you can go into the my application tab just below the college and university, and find it there. So this is how you submit the application on Findadmission portal, guys. Thanks for watching.